One of the core childhood memories of many Pakistanis is jinn stories. Whether it was neighborhood kids or school friends or cousins having a sleepover, there will be one person sharing a jinn story. So for me, it's Bhabis of Lahore and Jinnistan by Aisha Muzaffar.
Is this book called Lahore by Metro. And by the name, you can tell it's about the daily lives of Pakistani people traveling in metro. So there are stories, there are memories, and there are also painful confessions.
One of the books that's quintessentially Pakistani is Ice Candy Man by Bapti Sidhwa because it tells the story of pre-partition and partition life, and it depicts the multicultural life of Lahore and Pakistan as well.
So, to be very honest, I haven't read a lot of Pakistani literature, especially Urdu literature. But for me, if I think about a book that is quintessentially Pakistani, I would go back to my childhood and I would think that the book, if you've read, or I mean, obviously every Pakistani must have heard of it, Jalebiyan. It just reminds me so much of like the childhood, the nostalgia, and just sitting around with my mom and my brothers and like listening to it or reading it myself or somebody reading it to me. And it's just, I think that moment and that experience to me is quintessentially Pakistani.
मेरे लिए वसीम अकरम की बायोग्राफी, क्योंकि क्रिकेट से बढ़कर पाकिस्तानी और क्या हो सकता है।
For me, it has to be Patras Ke Mazameen because what could be more Pakistani than finding humor in the ordinary? And his drive it is something that every Pakistani, every Desi in fact, would resonate with.
So for me, the book would definitely be Home It's Complicated by Sabah Karim Khan. It's a collection of short essays written by people who've lived here in Pakistan and abroad, and it's just them reminiscing the feeling of what it's like to live in Pakistan. Almost like a bittersweet feeling of home.
You have to choose this book, and the Wasim Akram was a master, and he made a ball talk.
उस बुक का मैं आज जिक्र करना चाह रही हूँ। उस बुक का नाम है ला हासिल और ये तहरीर की गई है उमैरा अहमद ने। उमैरा अहमद किसी इंट्रोडक्शन की मोहताज तो नहीं है। उनकी लिखी गई कई नॉवेल्स हैं जैसे आब हयात, पीर कामिल। जो कि बुक जो मैंने नॉमिनेट करना चाह रही हूँ वो है ला हासिल। इसमें एक लड़की की कहानी है जिसने बेसिकली एक सफ़र तय किया है, एक सफ़रनामा है जिसमें उसने गुनाह से हिदायत की तरफ, दुनियावी ख्वाहिशात से रूहानियत की तरफ का सफ़र तय किया है। इस बुक के जो फंडामेंटल टॉपिक्स हैं वो हैं तौबा, हिदायत, रूहानियत, ईमान और औरत की खुदी और इज़्ज़त है। अगर आप लोग इस टॉपिक को पढ़ना चाहते हैं और इस तरह के टॉपिक में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो ला हासिल एक बेहतरीन इंतखाब होगी।
The book I will choose is by Umaira Ahmad Aqs, and the reason is how she resembles the childhood traumas. That is a very serious issue that exists in our society, and very few writers have addressed that issue. So my preference would be Aqs by Umaira Ahmad.